Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. I hope you guys had a good weekend, a great Valentine's, and happy President's Day. Today will be a short session since it is a bank holiday. Welcome back, guys. Hope you got your coffee. Alrighty, here we go. First things first, let's always look at the calendar. Even though we know what's happening, it is a bank holiday today. And then it looks like FOMC member spoke at 8:25. Cool story. But yeah, since it is a bank holiday, there will be very low volume. ATR is currently at 13. Might jump a little more from 9:30 till 11. After that, it dies. It completely dies out. So just so you guys are aware, um, yeah, market's gonna be moving pretty slow. Uh, very low probability trades. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna be risking too much today just because the move doesn't really play out that well when the banks aren't in play. So it looks like the new week opened with a gap, has not filled the gap. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, that's the new week opening gap right here. There is a gap. Oh, let me move this to the 1 hour because shouldn't be on the 30-minute. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure to hit that like button if you guys do tune in so I can grow this channel. Takes 2 seconds to hit like. Appreciate it. All right. So, sorry, let me do this right here. Oh, where the heck is it? Oh, here it is. I'm about to say. All right. Just wanted to pull up my my special sound effects that I like to put when I'm when I'm trading. It's fun. All righty. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are trading, like always, the NASDAQ. The market does close early today, guys. I believe it closes either at 12 or at 1, but usually I'm not on past 11-ish. So we're going to try to catch a quick move. And if you guys have any questions about anything that you're looking at on the screen, just let me know. Yeah, that's the one I like, especially if I'm going long. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask me, and I will explain as best as I can. So yeah, it looks like the market opened on Sunday at 6 p.m., right? Up here, and it closed on Friday down here. So we have this gap. It was filled partially. Looks like there's still a little bit left. Still a little bit left. So it could come down and fill it today, or not. We just got to watch the market and see what it does. I mean, it is under VWAP, as you can see here. Let's see. Let's make it a little bit bigger. VWAP is this purple dotted line. So anything that prices below, you're looking for some sort of short, right? We got EMA 200. It's a little lower. It's under that too. It's under EMA 50 and under EMA 21. On the 1 hour chart over here, we got EMA 50 and VWAP right here, Prices down here filling this imbalance. So, yeah, shorts are currently in play. Clearly, look at this freaking red ass candle. And ES is dumping also, so additional shorts. Shorts, your favorite, Lauren? Shorts. Oh man. Were you guys watching yesterday Logan Paul? His Pokemon card went for 16,000. I'm sorry, 16 million something dollars. Guinness Guinness. No card has ever gone for that much money. I think the highest was like 14 mil or something. Insane for a fucking Pikachu. I used to have 100 of those when I was a kid. I had the Charizard. I had all of them. I don't even know where the hell I put them. But I had a lot of Pokemon cards back in the day. Crazy. Yeah, I think the lowest costing card that I saw was like 10K. It was like a whatever Pokemon card. 10K. Crazy. Obviously the holographic ones. The holographic ones. The other ones, it's got to be like something rare. Alrighty. So we got about 20 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. 20 more minutes. Better find your. Yeah. My mom says she's gonna jump into the attic and start looking for those damn cards. I think one of the damn cards is like yeah, just finding one of those cards, even if it's in bad condition, I think is worth a few $100. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Just to think that I had Charizard in my hand, all those Pikachu's, I had all those cards in my hand. I had over, I would have millions of dollars in my damn hand. That's insane. Insanity, bro. Insanity. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? That's insane. All right. I'm going to lower this super patriotic music just a little bit more. Nah, actually like it. All right. So, what are we looking for today, guys? Obviously, very low probability trades. Um, Probably gonna just trade the eval. Nothing crazy. Maybe I don't know. Too many. I'm sorry, too minis. Nothing crazy. Two micros. Let's do two micros. $200. Um, it's probably gonna be a scalp today because it's not gonna completely deliver. ATR is at 13 for it to hit 50 or 60 points. It's gonna take a while. It'll probably take until the whole session closes at 12 or 1 whenever it closes. So most likely not gonna capture the whole move. How much was this? How many points was this move right here though? This just happened while we were watching. 40 something points. A lot, but not a lot. Yeah, my auto trail would have kicked in by then, but let's see if it gets to at least 50 points. I know it wants to reach down here. I'm pretty sure it wants to fill this imbalance still that it didn't fill. So most doesn't want to leave a gap, especially that close. It's like a magnet right now. You could take a stupid little. Will it go lower? I think it will, but should I take a little sell here? Just to that little gap? What do you think? Market doesn't open. It's gonna move really slow. If I'm stuck in that short when the freaking market opens,
Order filled.
let's see what happens. All right, I just wanted to fill this stupid little gap because I know it wants to. Let's do that. What, it's 58 bucks? Hold up. I know I never take a pre-market trade, but just to do something because it's gonna be really slow today. Let's see. And we can definitely move this lower. What is that? 100? Oh, because I'm on there it goes. It's gonna fill it. There it goes. There it goes. Might have to scalp this shit. It might just play with you. Come on, hit the 58 bucks. Let me. You think it'll come back in? I don't think so. Let's go. Fill it up. Fill it. Look at the money move, guys. Look at the money move. Look at it. It's crazy.
Target filled.
Oh my God. It's like I'm Nostradamus or something. It's too easy, guys. Honestly, sometimes it's just too easy. I knew I wanted to fill this gap because this is a massive imbalance in the market. And what does the market like to do? The market likes to fix imbalances. So hey, we made a little money back. I think I lost a total of 300 last week on this account, but overall was up $2,100. So I was 2,000. It's like 2,400, and then I lost 300 on Friday. Then I actually took a trade after the live. I think I made like 80 bucks, and now I just made 55. It was 58, but plus the fees and the commissions for the broker, it comes out to 55. So in case you guys are wondering, why is it less? All right, so it took a little scalp. That was a little scalp. We're still going to look for the move when the market opens in 15 minutes. But look at that. It came and it filled. I knew it definitely wanted to fill this little imbalance right here, but it came and it filled the whole thing. So how about that? A little short was in play, Lauren. Did you catch that little baby short? Baby short scalp? Alrighty. Okay, so I guess it wants to go down here or what? Let's see. Is there anything, any other reason it wants to go lower? Maybe this down here? It is in a downtrend. Technically rejected off EMA 50. Tapped it again, rejected. Filled the imbalance. Anything else down there? I don't know. It does like this damn zone down here. Let's see on the bigger. It does like this zone. There is an imbalance on the 1 hour. The daily low is down here. See, let's see. So we got the swing low, we got a pivot, and the daily low. It might want to come down here. I don't know if it'll come all the way down here. It's possible, but it might want to come down here. Let's see. It's showing a little bounce here at the pivot point. It filled the imbalance, at least on the 5-minute time frame. So maybe that's just all it wanted to do. And I took a little bit of that. If you tuned in early and would have caught it, you would have caught it with me. David, but you don't take pre-market trades when it's that obvious and it's moving super slow. You really got not much to lose. You don't have much to lose. Hell, it looks like I might want to go lower. Let's see. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. Please, so I can grow the channel. Yeah, that was a little short scalp of about 14 points. 14 points I took. I saw it coming down. I knew I wanted to fill at least some of this imbalance here. So I took a little scalp, 14 points to the downside. I am still gonna wait till the market opens, see if I can catch another move. Let's see. Let me see if I could find what I was talking about earlier. Let's see, Insta. I saw a little thing here. Let's see. Come on. Search, search, search. Here it is. There we go. As you guys can see, look at this. Look at this. Logan Paul's Pikachu Illustrator Pokemon card sells for $16.49 million as a PSA 10 Illustrator card. Insanity. Insanity, guys. That is crazy. Crazy. He originally bought it for $5 million and made about $11 million on it in profit. That's amazing. He broke a Guinness Book World Record. Guinness Book World Record. No card has sold for that much money. Insanity. All right, guys. Market opens in 9 minutes. 9 minutes or so. Be ready. Be ready. We're going to mark out the orb like always. You guys think it's gonna go down, or you guys think it's gonna go up today? What do you guys think? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. You guys think the market's gonna go up or down? Guys, if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you. Appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button so I can keep growing the channel. Tell your friends that want to learn day trading, how to do it. You don't need thousands of dollars to day trade, guys. You literally could do it with $100. You could do it with $100 and you could flip that 100 into thousands. You do not need 25,000 to do day trading with the NASDAQ Futures market. You could even use a prop firm. You don't even have to have a live account, but you do need to be at least 18 to day trade legally. Or else, if you're under 18, then you could trade with the simulator, fake money, and practice until you are 18. But yeah, use a prop firm. I'm not affiliated with any, so I'm not gonna say which one to use. Oh, 5 minutes. Market opens. My alarm went off. 5 minutes. Let's see. I didn't have the light on, so it might have looked a little dark. Forgot to turn the light on. Not much difference though. It's pretty bright in this room anyways. Looks like ATR has jumped a little bit. So we're at 16. ATR is at 16, almost 17. So we're getting a little bit of volume, slowly but surely here. We are very low under VWAP. So before we go short, I want to see some sort of retest to the upside and then a complete rejection to the downside. And if I start looking for longs, it's got to be above VWAP up here, or very, very, very close to VWAP for looking for longs. But right now, shorts are in play, guys. The shorts are shorting. The shorts are in play. Every time frame that I'm looking at is going down. Everything is going down. I did take a baby scalp pre-market, like 55 bucks. But we're gonna do 2 micros. Should I do 2 micros? Yeah, I'll do 2 micros on just the eval today. Nothing crazy. Um, Not a very high probability day. Obviously, the banks are closed. Market closes early. So make sure to enjoy the rest of your day after I get off. Don't stay stuck on the charts. It's going to die after like 11, 11:30. It's going to go and start moving like this sideways. So it's not even worth trading after that time. Did any of you take that little short I took? Or you guys are just going to wait till the market opens? Let me know. Let me know. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. All right, market opens. 30 seconds. Hope you guys are ready. Market opens. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Oh, oh no, you didn't. Oh, the screen just blacked out on me for a second there. All right, market is open. Is it gonna go lower or is it gonna reject and go all the way back up again? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Might want to go lower. Wants to come down here or what? Hit the daily low. Strong possibility. We're risking an eval, and we're gonna do 2 micros, 200 bucks, maybe less. Actually, it might be a scalp, just because ATR is at 17. So let's see. Let's make this a little bigger for you guys. It's been dumping pre-market. I took a little short here, a little baby, 14 points, nothing crazy. Is he gonna keep going lower? Let's see. Mm-mm. I put a poll. You guys, what do you think? Long or short? What do you guys think? It's in the chat. If you're not subscribed, you probably can't write in the chat. So, in the chat, I made a poll. What do you guys think? Long means going up, and short means it's going down. What do you think the market's going to do? Well, clearly, right now, it's going down. So, but now it's bouncing. Looks like it's bouncing. Let's see. Let's see. Should take these off. These are from like a couple days ago, right? Last week. Less confusing stuff on there. I did mark that low. I don't think it's taking that low. I'll leave that there. Team Bull. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Right now, it's not looking bullish at all. So sorry. My throat is on fire right now. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. I appreciate it, so I can keep growing this channel. Longs. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Looks like it tried to go up, went lower. All right. This is the first 5-minute candle right here of the New York Stock Exchange. Right here, 9:35. Still got 10 more minutes. Let's see what it decides it wants to do here. All the EMAs are above, so obviously the shorts are in play. Unless price gets above these EMAs or VWAP, we are looking for shorts, guys. So far, but it is running out of steam. As you can see, each candle is getting smaller and running out of fuel here. But there is a lot of room to the downside. There might be a slight reaction here at this swing low. There might be a slight reaction here, and it could possibly bounce a little bit, or maybe completely flush. Huh? You just never know. You just never know. I'm gonna put a little line there just for reference on my 1-hour time frame. Might bounce here, and that line is 24,729. 24,729 is about here. So 24,729. So this line is this line right here. I think it might want to tap it. Before it does anything, I think it might want to just tap that. Might tap that and then bounce, or completely flush through it. We'll see. So this was the first 5-minute candle. We're waiting for the next 10 minutes to set the orb. There he goes. Going for that swing low there. There it goes. Getting really close. Getting very close. Yeah. Man, I should have held that short. I took a short right here early in the morning. If you guys were on, I saw a little gap here that I wanted to fill from the new week. Those things are like strong magnets. So whenever it prices that close, usually it'll fill it. So I took a little scalp of $55 on the eval, nothing crazy. I should have held it. Look at this. Who would have known though? Who would have known? I would have been done for the day, guys. All right, I'm done. You guys would have been like, no, done for the day. Appreciate it. Just made a few hundred. You gotta get on early, guys. You gotta get on early. 9 o'clock. You never know. I might take a pre-market trade. You just never know. Especially on a President's Day, you know. Volume is very low. ATR is at 18. So not much of a big move today. Today is probably gonna be a scalp. I'm probably not gonna let it run, to be honest. 50 points. It's gonna take way too long, and the longer you wait, sometimes that probability doesn't play out in your favor. So, especially on a bank holiday, not a lot of big players, market makers are not in play. So, things could change quickly, fast. 1 second it's going down, and then you'll see a massive green giant, and you're like, "What the hell just happened?" It's erratic like that on bank holidays, or a massive dump. I mean, either one could happen. Look at this shit. Look how close it got. And it didn't fill. It didn't tap. Interesting. It might still come down. It might still come down. Let's see. It's coming. I think it's going to go. It's got 5 more minutes for the orb to be set, more or less. 5 more minutes. Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. Figure it out. Man, it's going. It's like, yeah, no, I do want to go lower. Definitely want to tap that bottom swing low. There it goes. There it goes. The blue line. Damn it. I should have taken a short. There it goes. Bop. It kind of tapped it. If it didn't tap it, when this candle closes, it's going to tap it for sure. There it goes. There it goes. Pop. Got it. Now let's see how it reacts to that zone. Should be a little bit of a bounce there. Let's see how strong the sellers are. Let's see. Huge. This is a 1-hour candle, guys. These are 1-hour candles. These are 5-minute candles. This is a strong bearish candle right here. A lot of selling pressure in the last hour. That candle closes in 19 minutes, which is at 10 o'clock. Yeah, we're seeing a little bounce here where I marked that blue line. Let's see if it rips up now or what it wants to do. Why I thought it was going to touch that line and bounce. Well, it's touched that area before and bounced and did this move to the upside. So it's possible. It's a possibility there. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Toca el like. So I can grow the channel. Thank you. All right. This is the last 5 minute of the 15-minute orb. So we could kind of set it. Let's do this. Let me move this up. Better view here. ATR is currently at 19, so we're getting a little bit of momentum, sort of, kind of. Let's see. So 9:35. This was 9. No, this is 9:30. This is 9:35. I'm gonna mark the top of that one, and the bottom is currently right there. Unless it goes lower, then we'll adjust it. I could take this little line out. It's actually, let me leave that. I'm gonna leave that line for now, which is this line over here. That's 24. Whoa, whoa. See, that's the kind of shit that happens randomly when the banks are closed. You see, like it's gonna pop up and then fa. So you gotta be very, very, very careful today. Do not trade a lot of micros or minis, or it's just very unpredictable on days like this, especially with the markets being kind of closed. But the market officially closes, I think, at 1:12 or 1. I don't know. They don't close. They halt and then they open up at, is it at 6? Yeah, I don't know. I don't care at that time because I'm not gonna be on. All right, so yeah, definitely gonna have to adjust this 15-minute orb here. It definitely made that move. All right, that's currently the 15 minutes. Let's see if it goes any lower, then we'll adjust it. But let's see. Let's see if it bounces from this zone and goes up, or if it continues to flush. Might want to come all the way down here. Shit, man. I should have held that damn short and just trailed it. I would have been rich already. You guys would have been like, what? When the hell did he take that? No, it's okay. It was just an eval. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the orb. I think, unless this shit does some crazy ass move again in 30 seconds, which is it's not impossible. Uh, y'all keep an eye on it. I'm looking at this other computer here. Don't take your eye off it. Mm-mm. All right, 10 seconds. Looks like 15-minute orb is set. Make sure you set it on your screen. All right, that is the orb right there. Let's see if it breaks down. Now it wants to go lower. Shit. I'm gonna need a break and a retest here, bro. Because the moment I go short is when it wants to rip to the upside. The moment I go short is when it's like, nah, now we're going up, David. We're gonna take your stop loss out. Oh man, hilarious. Market is so funny. ATR is at 21 currently. So on the 5-minute time frame. All right. You think it wants to go lower? This thing is choppy, man. It's grinding to the, oh shit. Well, damn. Break and retest. I'm looking for a break and retest. If today this shit decides to not do the retest and just flush, like, you bastard. I'm going to wait for the break and retest. So it's breaking. I want to see it break, then a candle come up, tap the orb again, and then come down again. That's what a break and a retest is, because this shit has been dumping with no damn green candle. And the moment I go short is when the green candle, freaking the green giant, shows up. So let's make sure we don't get caught in that. Let's try to play it as safe as possible. But it could also not show a green giant and completely just flush and run without us. What do you guys think? This is wild. 2 minutes. Damn. What a breakout. Yeah, we're going to wait for the retest. We're going to wait for the retest. I am not taking this short. Not yet. I need to see a better entry. Better entry. I want to see a little pop to the upside and then show me it wants to go lower. I need some kind of pullback, man. Look at that. Look at that. It's coming back. Is it going to be a V-shaped recovery now? You guys think it's going to flip super green, go all the way back up? That'll be some crazy shit. With nah, I don't think so. There's not that much volume for some crazy, unless the bulls and the sellers just completely leave. The bulls kick in. The sellers are in play, even though it's weak, but they can pushing that shit down. Right now, the bulls are pushing it up. So let's see, barely. Back to that blue line that I created. Back to that blue line. All right. Yeah, no longs. I'm not gonna long this because overall it is super bearish. Super bearish. Very bearish on the higher time frames. As you can see, this is a pullback tap. It is tapping this zone here. Yeah, it's still inside the orb, guys. It has not broken out of the orb. Just because it wicked out does not mean it broke out. For it to officially break out of orb, it has to close outside of orb. So if it goes out and then goes right back inside, price has not broken out of the opening range. Okay. It could chop in the opening range all day. That's also a possibility. So let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see what happens. It is back inside the orb. All right. Could this be the pullback that we're looking for? It's going to do a little pop up and then go lower. It's possible. It's possible. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. But we definitely wanted to see some sort of pullback before taking a short. I think it might want to go just a little higher before it goes down again. Squeeze some of the people who went short. Take some orders out. Maybe all the way up here. Shit. I don't know. Might break out to the upside. Shit. Anything is possible there. For me to look for a long, again, I need to see a green candle, man, on the 1 hour time frame. Because all the VWAPs and EMAs are down here. So I don't know. The trend is down. The trend is down. These are just pullbacks. They look big because we're on the 5-minute time frame, but overall, this shit is bearish, man. You want to catch a short. I don't like shorts, but That's what you need to look for. A way to get in short to catch the wave down. There's plenty of room here. Yeah, it could go this way too. I mean, just right now, everything is telling you down. For it to tell me to look for longs, I need to see it up here. I need to see it up here. Like way above here. Like a closing above here. Not just a wake up here. Mm, mm, mm. 7 minutes until the new 10 a.m. candle opens on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll have a new candle here in 7 minutes. All right. There's your green pullback. There it is. It's going to be a green giant. You know, I wouldn't doubt that it wants to come all the way up here. But again, I would need to see some sort of retest in this, just because it's in this area. I need to see some sort of retest, like breakout, test, then show me it wants to go higher. Same thing down. It's just been dumping all this time, so there has to be some sort of pullback, give the buyers a chance to get in there. So this is the 15-minute orb opening range. The market opens at 9:30. You set 9:35, 9:40, 9:45. So the low here and the high here. You set the square or the line, whatever you want. This line was this little area of resistance, so I marked it here. It was a support level. As you can see, it bounced kind of off that area. So yeah, this is the orb. I'm waiting for it to close out of the orb, either to the downside or the upside, to see the direction the market wants to continue going in. We are currently still inside the orb, so we're just going to wait and stay patient, see if it gives us a setup. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button so I can continue growing the channel. ATR is at 23, so it is getting better. We're getting a little more speed, more momentum there. This pullback is going to break to the upside here, but remember, there is a pivot, and then we're not going to take a long into VWAP. Even though it could run, it could completely V-shape up, but anything is possible. So 4 minutes, the 1 hour candle is going to open up. Just got to stay patient, guys. I need to see a break, retest. This is just maybe a pullback right now, guys. So if it breaks to the upside, you need to wait for a retest, and the retest might come all the way down again, because overall the trend is down. So just got to be careful. Make sure you manage risk accordingly. Let's see if the pullback is done or if it still wants to go a little higher. Let's see. Well, it is flying now. It's going up. The pullback of a century here.
Green Giant.
Let's see. Let's see if it breaks out. I'm still looking for a break and retest and then see what it does. Okay. Oh man, my screen is tripping. My screen is tripping. Sorry about that. If it kind of went black there for a second. Let's see something. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Even if it breaks out here, we're not going to take the long, okay? Because this could just be a pullback. This could just be a pullback. It is retesting super trend and that pivot point. So let's see how it reacts there. Even though this is a nice wake up, gotta be careful. The new candle is gonna open now in 1 minute, so we're gonna stay patient until that candle opens up and decides what it really wants to do. If it really wants to pop, going up or go lower. Let's see. Still early, still time. Still early, there's still time. All right, 30 seconds, that new 1 hour candle is gonna open. Let's see. See, didn't break to the upside. This might have just been a pullback, maybe. But again, for me to look for a long man, I want to see something strong, super strong to the upside. This right now is not good. That looks bearish. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, so usually if a candle opens up green like this, ends up being red by the end of the time the candle closes. So this might go up and then who knows. Whoa, it's erratic. It's erratic. It's going up. Is it gonna break to the upside? It's just gonna go to the moon or what? It's like, you guys thought it was going short, huh? Psych. I'm not going nowhere you want to go. It's complete V-shaped recovery. Crazy pump right there. Let's see how it reacts. Again, we're waiting for a break and a retest. So I am not taking the break to the upside unless I see a retest. And then for it to show me it wants to continue going up. Because you don't want to get caught trying to go long now. And the overall trend is down. So you try to go long here, and then it completely goes and flushes and kills you. So even though this candle is green right now, it could flip and continue going lower. Not impossible. It might want to hit the daily low. Top, pop, pop, pop. Let's see what happens. Come on, market. Show your cards. Stop playing with us. Show your cards. Okay. Are we going to get a breakout to the upside? Again, I don't like to take a break into VWAP. But what happened the other day? I think it broke out into VWAP and then it continued running. And I missed the move. That was the first short of last week that I missed. It broke out into VWAP. So I was like, nah, I'm not taking that short. And that thing ran all the way like 400 points. You took a long, Danny? Or you took a short? Or you haven't taken anything? Make sure to hit the like button, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching Trading with David 305, trading the NASDAQ Futures market. ATR is currently at 23. That's the average trading range. So it's decent. I mean, it's okay. Not too high. You're scared? Don't be scared, brother. Don't be scared. Let's see. Just risk what you're not scared to lose. Today doesn't have to be a great day move anyways. It's a low probability day. It is a bank holiday, so yeah. If there's no good move, guys, you don't have to take a trade, man. You could just watch and see if I take a trade or not. I might not either. Who knows? If nothing good presents itself, I'm not taking no trade. Right now, it looks like it's gonna break out of orb, but I'm not taking this long. I'm gonna wait for a retest before anything, and this thing could rip. I mean, it could completely reject and do a V-shaped recovery here. But for me to take a long, guys, honestly, I need to see this. I need the green candles to close way above here, show me another pullback, and then that it wants to go, because it's just so far apart. There's not enough volume or momentum. So it could completely rip or it could completely dump now. But right now it looks like it wants to go. But this could be still a pullback because this was a pretty big drop. This could be a pullback. We're getting to the halfway point of the whole move. So around here, maybe VWAP. We'll see how it reacts to VWAP. That's going to be the key indicator right there. What it does when it taps VWAP and EMA 50. If it keeps ripping, or if it's going to do a pullback, and then see what it wants to do there. It's going to be interesting. Or maybe the pullback is done. Who knows? We'll see. Let's stay patient. It's going to drop. It could. It could drop. It's possible. Let's see. It could drop. Once it gets to that VWAP, we're going to see what it really wants to do. If it wants to go higher or if it wants to pull back. Or it might not give us an entry. It might not give us a good entry. Let's see. It's having a tough time breaking above EMA 21 right now. So let's see what happens there. Might be doing the retest now. The retest, if it breaks back into orb, it might want to start going down. Who knows? Looking like it's losing pressure here. It looks like it's losing steam. There it goes. Running out of juice. Might be doing a retest or completely flushing down now. Let's see. It is at a pivot point, so usually there is some reaction there. And at what's it called? EMA 21. There should be a reaction there. EMA 21 is this blue line. That's the last 21 candles, the moving average of the last 21 candles. So when I say EMA 21 candles on the 5-minute time frame, that's the average movement of it right there. So it usually wants to stick to average movements. All these are different EMAs. This is EMA 200, EMA 50, so 50 candles, 200 candles, and VWAP is where usually banks and institutions buy and sell. So that one's pretty important, but the banks are closed, so should be interesting how it reacts to that zone. Oh, that's where the big money players are. And then this dotted line here, this is a super trend. Kind of tells you more or less where price action is. Kind of tells you more or less the trend at that time frame. So let's see. Stay patient, guys. Can it rip up? Sure. Can it go straight down? Sure. So right now it's really, really choppy. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, it is pretty much moving sideways. I know that it looks like, oh, it went down here, but if you look at the very high time frames, like this is just ranging, really. We're just trying to catch a little move, a little baby move. All right, it's kind of going down. We got 40 seconds. Let's see what it does here. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's retesting. Is it gonna break back into orb, or is it gonna continue pumping? What do you guys think? So it just tapped. It just tapped. Let's see if it goes lower. We're gonna stay patient, guys. Stay patient. I know. Trading is not as exciting as you thought it was, huh? It's more about waiting for the right setup. That's how you stay profitable. You don't just take the trade. Oh, I think it's going up. Oh, I think it's going down. Oh, I think it's going up. No. Wait for it to give you a good sign of which way it wants to go, guys. That's how you stay profitable. And if it doesn't give you a sign, then you don't take the trade. Because we're not here to lose money, right? I mean, we don't want to. We want to take the best possible trade, make our money, and be done with the day. Look at the 1 hour. It is completely reversing to the downside now. Completely reversing. Overall trend, guys. Tapped EMA 21, rejected. Didn't even tap VWAP. It's going lower now. You took the short? All right, man. Good luck. Hopefully it keeps dumping. Hopefully it goes all the way to freaking hell. Good stuff, man. Let's see. Let's see. I want to wait a little bit more to see if it really wants to dump lower. Let's see. It might. It might want to go down, man. It might want to go down. The higher time frames are showing, wants to go lower. Just hang in there. Hang in there. I would put my stop if you're going short. I would put it right here, guys. You know why? Because if it goes above this, that invalidates your short. So anything above this wick here, you know, wherever you feel comfortable. I would put it around here. If it comes back up here, it probably wants to go up now. So you don't want to be caught. Just be careful. It did tap this imbalance right here and showed a little push up. Let's see if the sellers are stronger or if the bulls want to take it higher. Let's stay tuned. This is the breakout was up. It looks like it's doing its retest. Let's see if it completely changes and goes down, continues going lower, or if it finally wants to start going up. We just got to stay tuned. Let's see. I put a poll in the chat. So what do you guys think? It's going to go up or it's going to go down? I put long or short. Put your vote in there and put what you think it's going to do. Market does close early today. So we better find a move quick. Let's see. Let's see, NASDAQ. What do you want to do, NASDAQ? Figure it out, NASDAQ. Are you going to go lower? Are you going to go back into orb? Are you going to go even lower? Was this the pullback? This was the pullback right here. And now it goes lower. I mean, would make sense. Would make sense. If it inverses this, I might take the short. If it inverses this right here, might want to go lower, man. It looks like a hammer there. And if you're already in that short, you're in a great spot. If this closes down here, then I'll take the short. Because why not? Hopefully it's not a retest and comes right back up. But I mean, this is looking pretty bearish. It might want to come down, you know? All right. So that would be a sell market if it closes under this. Let's see. Uh-oh. It's looking very volatile. The sell does not look bad.
Order filled.
All right. There we go. Risking 200 to make 240. Is it going to rip right back up now? Damn, David, why'd you get in the trade? No. Hey, it's showing me bearish reactions here. This thing looks like it wants to go down. It looks like it. It closed, inversed this whole gap right here. So, I mean, that's showing me pretty strong. The whole movement is down. I just need this little movement right here. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I mean, if it goes above here, then yeah, I don't really want to be in that trade anymore. So, yeah. It doesn't always deliver completely, you know. That's the problem with bank holidays. We're just going to let it play. I'm not going to move anything. Win or lose. If this wins, great. If it loses, great. I mean, honestly, I don't care. Either way, it is an eval. Could that have been the retest to go up higher? It's possible. But, I mean, on the higher time frames, it looked like it wanted to dump. It could be pure chop. It could be chop. Who knows? I think it wants to go lower. Oh. Might play around a little bit. ATR is at 23. So, let's see. Let's see. Let's see what he wants to do. Sorry about the cough in your ear. Now it rips to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Push it down, guys. Come on. The overall trend is bearish. The overall trend is bearish, guys. Bearish means it wants to go down overall. Why do I say that? We're under VWAP. We have EMA 50 here. The whole trend wanted to come down. Every time it comes here, it has room to come all the way down here. So I would say still leave it, just chill there, man. Just relax. Let it ride, guys. Let it ride. Let it ride. Auto trail will kick in at 40 points to the downside. So you hear the cha-ching, that means we are in profit and we can't lose. So let's see what happens. Here we go. All right, we're in the green, baby. We're in the green. Oh, it's going lower. Will I get it? Would I get the whole TP? What do you guys think? Damn, Dave. But David, how'd you know it was going to go lower? Come on, guys. Come on, it's telling you it wants to go lower. There's a huge imbalance here. It's turning into a hammer. This is a 1 hour time frame. It wants to go lower. Now, could it flip and pop right back up? Absolutely. You guys could take your profits whenever you guys feel comfortable. It doesn't have to come all the way down here either, But it's overall bearish, This is how market structure works. Swing low, swing high. I mean, might want to make a lower low if it's any downtrend. So let's see. Let's just see what happens. You want to go with the trend. The trend is your friend, right? Just these movements are looking a little crazy here. All right, we're up 50 bucks. Technically, let me pull this up for you. $100. We could play around. We could take right here. Let me have some fun. I'm gonna put an order here to fill here.
Order submitted.
And then we'll run this baby all the way down here. What do you guys think? Right here is 692. 692. Yeah, let's lead a. So we're gonna leave a runner. So if it fills down here, let's see. Remember, there was a reaction right here, so you gotta be careful that there's not a. There could be a pop back up. Let's see. There might be a little reaction here because it already did its 3 candle reds, but I mean, it could want to go lower. There was a bounce here last time. Let's go. Let's go. Let the auto trail kick in, and maybe it'll tap that one limit. Let's see. How's that short working out, Danny? I know you took that short early. Did you already close it out or what? Does it want to go lower? Does it want to go lower? I hope so. For our sake, right? Let's go. Let's go. Stop playing with us. Stop playing. Stop playing. We're at a hundo. We're at a hundo. 150. Let's go. Let's get that money back. I think I lost 300 last Friday on this little eval. So let's get that money back. Come on. It's bouncing. It's hitting that zone that I don't like. Is it going to flush through it or what? Yeah, let's go. Come on. So close. That is a little reaction zone, so be careful here. I might want to take one off right there. Let's take one off if it gets there. Let's take one off, and then we could just move to break even, stop playing. Come on. Come on, there you go. There you go. Oh my God. Are you serious? Are you serious? Go lower. Go lower.
Order filled.
Okay. All right, so we're going to move to break even. Move to right here. $3. Let's go. And then we'll let auto trail kick in whenever it kicks in. But we're at break even. We can't lose. We're already up 115 bucks no matter what. All right. I'm going to let it ride. Let's see where it wants to go. We are in the green no matter what, unless some crazy ass slippage happens. We're okay. Let's see what happens, guys. We're in the green for the day. We already started off the week green. Let's go. Let's go. Already starting green. Not a lot, but hey, while people are sleeping or barbecuing, you already made $100 at least. Watching Trading with David 305. All right, so yeah, that zone, it's reacting off that zone here that I marked out earlier. That is that area. Let's see if it continues to push lower. We also have the super trend right here, so it might struggle to go lower there. It might be some chop here before it finally gets lower. Let's see if it taps my break even or not. If it does, hey, listen, I'm good. We're up 115. And I'll be honest, I'm probably done for the day, guys. So y'all could relax. Don't need to trade. After 11, there's gonna be like no momentum. It's gonna be like you're gonna be like, oh no. So just wait till Tuesday at 9 a.m. and watch me again. But let's see what happens. Let's see what it wants to do here. Want to take me out, or we're currently up $54 on this trade now. It was up 100. We sold one contract. Let's see. Does it want to go lower? I think it does. I think it actually wants to go. I think it wants to go all the way down here, to be honest. I think it wants to go down here. Now, how bad are these movements going to be? You know, these pops. That's the question. But it looks like it really wants to go lower. There we go. I think auto trail is going to kick in any second now. It might kick in auto trail unless this decides it wants to pop up now. How many damn points has this shit gone down? It looks big, but it might not be big just because ATR is 23. Let's hit the ruler. Oh, it's almost there. Auto trail's about to kick in. You're going to hear the cha-ching if it goes any lower. Just a little lower. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me it's going to pop now up. Okay. Come on, let's get the cha-ching. Let's go. Hey, we're getting cha-chinged. All right, so now we're up at least $10. At least $10. Let's see. Let it cha-ching all the way to TP. Let's go. We're up 75. Let's go. What's up, guys? What's up? Hey, bro, people call this hard sometimes, man. I really don't think it's that difficult. Honestly, what did I say? What did I say? Looking for shorts. We want to see it break, retest. If it doesn't show you it wants to go up, it showed us it really wanted to go down again. It retested EMA 21, rejected, showed us a bullish hammer. I'm sorry, a bearish hammer that it wanted to go lower. Why? I took the short right there. It inversed this 5-minute inversion. It's a 5-minute inversion right here. And there's still more room to fill. It did that. Now, you know, it might want to come down here, which is this swing low. Create a lower low. That's the way the market structure works, guys. Now it could pop up and come down. So anything is possible here, but you just gotta wait and let the market tell you. If you're impatient, that's where you lose. You gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. Where are we at? 180. Will it go lower, or is it gonna take me out at 10, 14 bucks? From 67 or 80, I think it was at, to 14 bucks. Well, that sucks, but that's the risk I'm willing to take. Everybody takes a different risk, you know? I'm not willing to risk losing the whole trade going in the negative while being $80 in the positive. So there you go. Let's see what it does. Does it want to go lower? I think it does. I think it does. If it goes lower, we're going to hear some more cha-changs. That means we're getting more. We're getting more profit, guys. We're getting more profit. Oh, okay. All right. Good job, man. Good job. If you're green, you're welcome, man. If you're green, guys, on a bank holiday, congratulations. Most people don't end up green on a bank holiday like President's Day, but you're trading with David 305. We could almost always find a move here. Almost always. Not always, but almost. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I do have some experience, just so you guys know. All right, let's see. Will it go lower? Will it go lower? I'm in profit. My stop is in profit, $17. And it is at 81, 84, 84 something dollars right now. And what do you guys think? I'm going to trail very tight if it gets under this swing low. Just because once it hits that, you usually have a strong reaction to the upside there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There we go. We're in profit $22 now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. At least we locked in 35 bucks. A total of 215 currently. Could I close it now? Sure. I don't want to. Let's keep going. Oh no, now it's gonna pop up and get me? Is it gonna pop out now? It did hit the bottom of the orb. It did pop the bottom of the orb. Let's see if it goes any lower, if it's gonna hit that swing low. Yeah, gotta be careful. Once it hits that bottom of that orb, there should be a reaction there. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out, but if it does, we're still good, guys. If it doesn't, it's gonna go lower. So try to hang in there. Let's go. Let's go. I'm riding this wave all the way down. Let's go. Damn, I should have done like 10 minis. No, gotta risk accordingly. But yeah, didn't I lose like 300 bucks on Friday? I think we're back, baby. I think we're back. Back on the trade. On the eval. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Let's go lower. Give me more. This guy has lost his mind. Where's this down here? 578? We are $49 in profit if it comes and stops me out. And I'm good with that. Let's go here. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. Do you think it's just gonna flush or what? I think it's gonna flush. I think it's gonna flush. Let's go, baby. Give me a little more. Don't pop up yet. Might want to pop back into orb. Take me out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where did I take the short? Right here, guys? This candle closure. Inversed it. Rejected off EMA 21. Obviously in a downtrend. Looking for a short. Hope there it is. I mean, hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Please, I need to grow this channel. Let's go. Let's see up to where this goes. I got auto trail kicking in. We are guaranteed, not guaranteed, but whoa, at least 55. It keeps trailing. It keeps going lower. It's going to keep trailing. Let's see what happens. I keep moving my TP down just because, you know, why not? Why not, guys? Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this hammer right here. Hammer time, bro. This shit might want to go all the way down here. Did Trump say tariff or something? Did Trump say tariff? Did Trump say tariff? Come on. Let's go. Now be careful, guys. When it hits this swing low, it might do a reaction to the upside. Just so you know. Whoa, what is happening? This thing is ripping. This thing is ripping. All right, so yeah, this is where the reaction might happen. We're locked in at $79 in profit. Let's see if it goes lower, man. Whoa. Are we going to get a pop to the upside now because it hit the swing low? It's possible. Wow. What is happening here? But we knocked out the bottom of this this wick here, so usually there's a reaction back up and then it keeps going lower maybe. But yeah, up 100. This is what we're at in total. I did close one contract out early, like halfway. So we're at 230 currently. If we get knocked out, if it taps the stop loss, we made $79 on the whole trade. And that's, you know, part of hanging into the auto trail. Let's see if it goes lower or what. No, there goes the pop. Usually when it tops a swing low, you'll see a pop up. Now, will it pop up to here? No way to really know. But let's see. I'm willing to get 79 instead of 120. Because I might get more. It might go lower. It might go lower, guys. Let's go. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Let's go. Flush it. Complete flush. Let's get some crazy tariff news. Let's go. Flush it completely to hell. Catch this massive short. Shit, we might pass this damn eval today. Should I keep moving this damn shit lower or what? Daily low? Let's move it there. Daily low. Hold up. What's the daily low? $354 on top of the 115 that I made already? Let's go. That would be a freaking phenomenal start to the Monday. How about that? If you guys take this short with me, congratulations. Congratulations. I appreciate you guys. And thank you guys for tuning in. But honestly, guys, I don't even know how many points this is already. Let's measure how many points we are in since the short. It has gone down 74 points, ladies and gentlemen. That's crazy. Some of these influencers are good with 10 points, man. I'm getting 74. That's insane. What was my, if you guys want to know what my drawdown was on the whole trade, this was it right here. This little wick up. It went negative 14 points, guys. 14 points. And positive 70-something points. And we're in profit $79 currently. So let's see if it stops me out or if it keeps going lower. Most likely it'll stop me out here, to be honest. But if it keeps going lower, shit, I'll take it. Let me close this. These are just some points. But it did break to the bottom of orb. It broke to the upside. It rejected off EMA 21. The overall trend is bearish. Bearish. Might want to hit the daily low down here. I don't know if it'll do that today, but anything is possible. We're just going to let it ride. Either it's going to hit my stop loss or it's going to hit my TP at the bottom. I'm good if it hits that daily low. Super good. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button so I can keep growing this channel and keep educating people on market structure, how to day trade. And again, guys, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars or thousands of dollars. You could day trade with a prop firm for probably $100. There's many prop firms. Do your research. This is NASDAQ Futures. NASDAQ Futures. Look it up, and then you guys could day trade with me at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. I am here educating as best as I can. Let's go. I've been doing this for almost 2 years already. I am profitable, multiple payouts, and I'm just trying to show you guys how to make a little extra cash, man. You don't have to practice with real money. You could also trade with fake money until you get good. I don't recommend using real money until you really learn how to trade. All right, but none of this is financial advice. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. We are in a trade currently. I am up $132. Already made $115 for the day, and we're up 132 additionally. So it's a total of $250 right now. It is Monday, President's Day. And it looks like it broke out of the opening range here to the upside, rejected. Overall trend is bearish. I took a short right here, right when it inversed this, and we are down in profit, $81, or it's going to hit 354. I think it's probably going to hit my 81, most likely, because it did hit a swing low right here. So usually it hits a swing low, you'll see a little pop to the upside, and then it continues. So, but I'm willing to take that risk that it might not hit it and continue going down. Or I could take the profit now, close out the trade at 100. But either way, we're good, guys. We're good. I'm going to let it ride. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Like I was saying earlier, I wanted, before I took a short, I wanted to see a pullback. This was the pullback, guys. This was, oh, look, it looks like it's going to take me out, guys. No. No. Is it going to take me out? It might. It might take me out.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
It's possible. Or it could, listen, it already filled the imbalance. It might not want to go. Oh, okay, I was just talking shit. There it goes. Now it's a freaking
Green Giant.
So it did break out. It's doing a retest. It might retest and stop me out. But hey, I knocked me in profit, $81 if it does tap this red line here. If it doesn't and it reverses and continues going down, we could possibly get more than $81. So let's see. Anything is possible. Either way, we're going to let it ride. We're going to let it ride, guys. Let it ride. It is overall bearish. Look at the red candle on the 1 hour time frame. These candles are 1 hour, so they have way more data. This is like looking at the ground level from 50 feet, 50,000 feet up in an airplane. So this is the overall movement. This is a 5-minute time frame. This is ground level. This is where I take the trade, and I try to take my quick scalp. All right. And that's how I day trade. These are contracts. These are not stocks. This is the NASDAQ. And it's pretty much, do you think it's going to go down or do you think it's going to go up? So you either hit a long, which is a buy market, or a sell market. Or you can put a limit, buy, and wait till it hits your certain level if you think it's going to go up. I don't play around with those limits just because you could miss the whole move because you wanted it to reach right here and it went right here. You know what I mean? So I enter, even if it's not a great entry, I'm in the trade. You know what I mean? That's how I like to trade. So there's other people that they only do limit orders. I like going straight into the trade as soon as I see it. And it could either work out or not work out. And then I go, but my win rate is about 70%. So overall, I'm usually profitable in the long run. I've been on a 5-week winning streak. And the winning streak, there was losing trades, but overall in the week, we were profitable. Very profitable. So yeah, if you guys continue watching, you will continue seeing me be profitable for the week, or at least continue to try to be profitable. So far we've been successful. But this looks like it might pop up on me. It might. Let's see what happens. Will it take me out at 81 or is it going to go lower? Let's see. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button so I can continue growing the channel. I appreciate all of you. Oh, it's going lower. It might want to go lower. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Oh, here we go. We're hanging in there. Is it going to go lower, guys? Am I going to make more? No way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Am I going to get TP all the way at the bottom, bro? That'd be a nasty move. That would be a nasty trade, guys. If that shit goes all the way down here. Oh, bro, that'd be like over 100-something point trade. That'd probably be my sickest trade on live if it does happen. And it's possible. So let's see. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cha-ching? Cha-ching? More cha-ching. More cha-ching. I love that sound. Don't you love that sound? Come on, guys. This is a beautiful sound. The beautiful sound of cha-chings. All right, so we're in profit $90 now instead of 81. So we gained a few dollars. Now it might come up and take me out because it knows I'm riding him. I'm riding that NASDAQ wave to the bottom. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. It grows the channel. I don't get paid off the likes, guys. It just grows the channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Oh, man. How low can this go? How low? I think it's going to take me out now. I was like, oh, yeah, David, I gave you a few more dollars, David, but now it's time for you to get out of here. You guys think it's going to take me out? What do you guys think? Move this here. Hits this red line. I'm out of the trade, but I'm out at 90 bucks. So, not terrible. But if it keeps shorting, we got 354 total profit on top of the 115. Let's see what happens. 4-hour time frame looks very bearish. Could dump. Let's see if it takes me out. I might be running too tight here. I might be too close for comfort here. Let's see. ATR currently 25. ATR is the average trading range. Not too high, not too low. It's just about right. We are in profit $90. I did take the short all the way up here. I did sell one contract. If I would have left that other contract, I would have made balling right now. I did sell one about halfway. Looks like it's gonna take me out here. It might. It might want to take me out and then continue going lower. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. That would be a great trade for today, and we're green already on Monday. Let's go. People that didn't want to trade today, hey, you missed out. Missed out. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. Is it gonna take me out? It might. I think it might, man. Yeah.
Stop filled.
No. All right. Well, anyways, we made $201 on this short all the way from right here all the way here. I did sell one here, and then I sold one here. I did make $50 earlier on another little short. So in total for the Monday, we made $201 in just a few minutes. Thank you guys for tuning in. How about that? Hit that like button, guys. Showed two great trades. I took this short right here early. This was before the market opened. Took a little 14-point scalp. Then didn't break to the downside, broke to the upside. Solid rejection. Overall trend was bearish. Inversed this 5-minute fair value gap. Did a little retest. ATR at that time was about 20. So my stop loss was about here. About 50 points. It only went up 14 points, and obviously it flushed over 70-something points. I was trying to trail it, see if it catch more of a bigger move. I did close one out here. Overall, we are $201 in profit for the day, and we started off Monday green, guys. We started off Monday green. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Let's have a round of applause. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you have a great President's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, Trading with David 305, so you can see little updates and memes and funny stuff that I put up, and obviously when I'm going live. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock, for the New York Stock Exchange Open, and we'll look for another banger. Shit, I'm hitting bangers on bank holidays. Imagine what I could do when the banks are open. Come on, guys. Let's keep this weekly winning streak alive. Y'all have a great rest of your day and enjoy a barbecue or whatever you're doing. I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Thank you.